Welcome to Compare to Win. The best medieval castle is probably one of the most iconic and versatile LEGO sets available, offering builders a chance to construct not just one, but three distinct medieval structures, each brimming with intricate details and play features that will transport you straight into a world of knights, dragons, and royal intrigue, making it a fantastic choice for both seasoned LEGO enthusiasts and newcomers alike looking for an immersive building experience. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic ship from Star Wars, The Mandalorian. This set comes with a fantastic crew, including the Mandalorian, Greef Karga, a scout trooper, and the beloved child, Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included for even more fun. Prepare for thrilling adventures with its dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod. It's ready for any mission. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area within the cargo hold. Recreate exciting battles from the Mandalorian and the child's adventures. Use the included weapons to face off against the scout trooper and other formidable enemies. This amazing collectible set is an ideal birthday present or any day gift. It's perfect for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. If you're a fan of The Mandalorian, this is the set for you. It captures the iconic ship with great detail and includes beloved characters. If you love recreating scenes from the show and displaying your fandom, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This LEGO set offers 3 distinct building options, allowing for varied play experiences. The castle design is intricate and detailed, showcasing classic medieval architecture. It includes several minifigures and accessories that enhance the storytelling potential. Number 4. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Pirate Ship 31109. Unleash your creativity with this incredible 3-in-1 building set. You can construct a classic pirate ship, a charming inn, or a mysterious island. Embark on a thrilling pirate adventure with the detailed ship. It features an opening roof, a crow's nest for spotting land, and cannons that really turn. Gather your crew of brave pirates and a trusty deckhand. You'll also find a fearsome shark, a loyal bird, and a spooky skeleton to join your escapades. Discover a chest full of accessories to enhance your play. Imagine finding maps, torches, pistols, and hidden treasures to complete your pirate world. Looking for an amazing gift? This set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, offering hours of imaginative fun for aspiring adventurers aged 9 and up. Explore the secrets of Skull Island, where a special handle lets you open and close the skull. You can even hide your gold in a secret compartment. What we like. Looking for endless building possibilities? This set offers 3 distinct pirate-themed builds, ensuring hours of creative fun. If you enjoy variety and immersive play with lots of accessories, this is the ideal set for you. What people say. The castle has a working portcullis and a drawbridge that can be lowered and raised. The set can be rebuilt into a fortified house or a marketplace, offering multiple play options. It includes minifigures such as a knight, a king, and a dragon, adding to the playability. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert Assembly Square 10255. Step into the vibrant Assembly Square, a modular building that brings a bustling street to life. It features a variety of shops, a dance studio, and a charming outdoor cafe. This modular model offers versatile display options, allowing you to arrange it in various positions. Its elaborate facade, detailed windows, and doors make it a stunning centerpiece. Bring your creation to life with 8 minifigures, including a dentist, barista, baker, and more. A baby figure adds an extra touch of charm to the scene. Designed for builders aged 16 and up, this set is compatible with all LEGO construction sets. Unleash your creativity and build anything you can imagine. Standing over 13 inches high and 14 inches wide, this impressive model boasts 4,002 pieces. It's a rewarding building experience for any LEGO enthusiast. What we like. For the ultimate LEGO city builder, this massive modular set is a dream come true. It offers incredible detail across multiple buildings and is perfect for display and expansion. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding build that forms the centerpiece of a LEGO city, this is it. What people say. The castle has a working drawbridge and a portcullis that can be lowered. It can be rebuilt into a dragon or a catapult, offering multiple play options. The set includes minifigures and accessories, such as knights and horses. Number 2. LEGO Ideas Medieval Blacksmith 21325. Transport yourself to a bygone era with this intricate building set. It's designed for adults who appreciate detailed craftsmanship and historical themes. Explore a charming 3-level building, complete with a working workshop, a cozy bedroom, and a functional kitchen. The details inside are truly remarkable. Easily access the interior by lifting off the roof and upper levels. You'll be amazed by the fully furnished rooms and the authentic medieval workshop. The workshop is brimming with realistic elements, just like a true medieval smithy. Don't forget to check out the glowing coal forge, brought to life with a special light brick. Bring this scene to life with 4 included minifigures, a blacksmith, an archer, and 2 knights. They come equipped with various accessories for endless storytelling possibilities. This set also features a posable horse with a cart, plus charming dog and frog figures. It's a complete package for an immersive building experience. With over 2,000 pieces, this impressive model is perfect for display and a fantastic gift for any LEGO enthusiast or collector. Build it, photograph it, and share your creation. What we like. Step back in time with this highly detailed medieval blacksmith's workshop. The glowing forge adds a unique interactive element. If you appreciate intricate details, historical themes, and a satisfying display piece, this set is a must-have. What people say. The castle is very detailed and looks great on display. It's a 3-in-1 set, so you can build 3 different castles with the same pieces. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger builders. Number 1. LEGO Icons Atari 2600 Building Set 10306. Step back in time and relive the magic of the 1980s with this incredible video game console replica. It's a nostalgic journey for any retro gaming enthusiast. This set comes with replicas of 3 iconic game cartridges, Asteroids, Adventure, and Centipede. Experience a trip down memory lane with these beloved classics. Discover a hidden scene from the 1980s, complete with a classic TV, boombox, and other nostalgic items. It even features a child enjoying their console. Get hands-on with the working joystick, featuring vintage control levers and connectors. You can even insert the 3 game cartridges into the console. Build and recreate 3 famous Atari video game scenes. Battle asteroids with a spaceship, explore a castle, or face off against a centipede. Designed for retro gaming fans and adult enthusiasts, this set is the perfect gift. Expand your collection of vintage consoles with this unique collectible. Uncover a special Easter egg hidden within the adventure video game replica. It's a thoughtful tribute from the designer to this iconic vintage set. What we like. Relive the golden age of gaming with this incredible Atari 2600 replica. It features a working joystick and iconic game cartridges. If you're a retro gaming enthusiast or appreciate 80s nostalgia, this set offers a unique and fun building experience. What people say. The castle itself is a good size and has some nice details, like the working drawbridge and the little knight figures. It's a 3-in-1 set, so you can build 3 different castles with it. This offers a lot of replayability and value. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger builders. The pieces are all there and fit together well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.